Cranberry Pistachio Shortbread Cookies combine all of the colors of the holiday season into one delicious cookie. Rich, buttery shortbread is adorned with tart, chewy cranberries and colorful, crunchy pistachios. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. In a mixing bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and half a cup of packed light brown sugar for about 3 minutes. Gradually add 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour and stir to combine after each addition. Add half a cup of white chips and half a cup of dried cranberries with the last addition of flour until your dough comes together. Separate into 2 logs and firmly roll them onto half a cup of pistachio pieces until they're coated. Then chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. Slice the logs into 1/2-inch cookies with a sharp knife. Put on a lined cookie sheet and poke the cookie with a fork for the steam to escape while baking. Bake for 25 minutes and cool completely on a wire rack before plating. Cranberry Pistachio Shortbread Cookies are elegant, full of flavor, and perfect for gift-giving this holiday season. They are sturdy, so they're perfect for shipping off to family and friends. They're gonna dive right into it, and you should too. You worked hard for those. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.